everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to use Lensa Avatar Maker editor video. So for that, open the application once you have downloaded it. If you have not, you can go to the Google Play Store and download the application from there. There's the app on the top. You tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. Once the installation is completed, tap on open. This application is a photo editor. Lensa is a picture editor for selfie and photo retouching. It has tons of art filter to make selfies, remove background, blur or fix pictures with image editing. With its simple feature and photo effect, you can make any photos perfect. You can capture memorable moments and let the pic editor to do the photo editing perfectly. So once you open the application, tap on I agree and then tap on next. One touch editing is a feature with which you can edit the picture with just single tap using AI-based magic retouch. Tap on next. Replace background, where you can replace the unwanted background or any form of interference behind the background. Tap on next. Background blur, you can blur the background on your pictures. Tap on next. Art style, you can turn photos into painting using AI. It will make your pictures look great. Tap on next. Advanced editing, these are to discover wide range of editing tools for the perfect result, where you can manually edit your picture for the picture perfect photo of yours. Tap on next. Now once you're at the home page, you need to tap on add photos. Allow the app to access the photos in your mobile device. Here you can create your account first so that it will be easy for you to save the photo edited by you over here for the long term. Go on settings and tap on sign in or create an account. Now you type in your email address and get logged in into your account. I'm gonna go with the Google. You can sign in with the Google or Apple as well. You just need to tap that and choose your Google account or Apple account. Once it's done, you go back and then tap on add photos. Then choose the picture from your gallery to which you want to edit. Tap on import. Now here you will be able to make all the changes right away. Here are the options over here. In the general, you will be able to manage all the features that are available in here manually. In the backdrop, you will be able to focus or blur the background. In the adjust, you will be able to adjust the exposure, contrast, sharpen the picture, and you can also select the colorful picture from here. In the effects, you can choose the effect that you want for your photos. So I'm just gonna choose a random one from here. There you can see the changes. Then tap on art style and here you can choose the picture to be turned into the art within itself. You need to make sure that you tap on apply and add this feature to the photos. Within the filter, you will be able to choose the filter for the pictures. And in the canvas, you will be able to reshape the picture as you want. Now here, once it's done, you need to save these changes over here. Tap on save on the top right corner. That will save the picture on your mobile device right away. So this is how you can use a Lensa Avatar Maker editor video app. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.